How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix a lazy eye without surgery at home. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So to fix a lazy eye, what is generally happening, you guys, is your dominant eye. This is what happens most of the times, is your dominant eye. Again, my dominant eye for most people is the right eye. It is actually doing majority of the work. And when it's doing majority of the work, this eye starts to get lazy and lazy because it's not doing the equal amount of work. So what we need to do is we actually need to cover the dominant eye. Now, what you can do is you can just put your hand over this, put your hand over your eye like this if you want to. I recommend going on Amazon or the internet or your store, whatever, and buying an eye patch. An eye patch is about $3 to $4. They're pretty cheap. You put it over the dominant eye. This way you don't have to use your hand the whole entire time. Once you have the eye patch over, you can just continue on with your day-to-day life. You can watch TV, play computer games. You can do whatever you want to read. The point of covering the eye is once this eye is covered, this eye has to do the work. It has to, because if you want to see, it needs to stop being lazy. Now, with the eye patch though, you can do other exercises if you want to go above and beyond. Simple exercises that you can do is what's called tracking exercises. So again, with the eye patch or your hand over your eye, you're going to get a good thing to do is a pen. Now, the point of it isn't to look directly at the pen. You want to focus in on a direct part of the pen, which normally most people would pick the very end of the pen. So you're going to focus on the very, very end of the pen with the eye patch or your hand over it. And all you're going to do is you're just going to move the pen back and forth, focusing with the lazy eye on the end of the pen. You can move the pen any way you want, side to side, up and down, diagonally, front, back, doesn't matter, as long as you're watching the end of the pen. This helps with getting your eye stronger. It really does. If you go to an optometrist, he's going to tell you the exact same things, you guys. He's going to give you little exercises that you can do that's going to help to strengthen your eye. Only if these exercises fail, everything else fails, then they would proceed with surgery, you guys. But highly recommend trying these out. Another thing that you can do that works really well with your hand over the eye or the eye patch over the eye, do word searches. Word searches is where, again, all the letters are scrambled, and then you have to find each word inside the scrambled letters. Works really good because you really have to focus on every single individual letter. That's what I recommend. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.